All right, this is the first video in a series of instructions on how to build an extrusion mount for your OSSM. I have here an already completed example to take a look at, and here are the tools that we'll need in order to do this. So tools that you'll need, minimum is a set of metric Allen keys. Helpful if you have possibly a T-handle of 5 millimeters. That's what all of these main bolts holding the extrusion together are. Some Loctite is very helpful to put on some of the extrusion screws just for long term so your OSSM stays together nicely. If you don't have Loctite, another totally viable alternative is just some regular white glue. We'll also do in a pinch. And for the rubber feet on the bottom, I like to put a little bit of super glue on those so that they stay put as your OSSM gets used. So with that said, here's our extrusion mount. We have the 4 corner braces holding the main extrusion body together, and this first pivot piece that holds the long extrusion to the arm. We have 2 lever handles, one on each side. We tighten and loosen these to adjust the stand. It's held in place with these rubber washers. That's what adds the extra friction that's needed. Sometimes those can get just a bit stuck if you haven't used your OSSM. It's been a little while since this one's been pivoted. It pivots on these screws here. So we'll take a look at this. These screws actually kind of bite into the aluminum, and that's what gives it a solid pivoting point. We have a very similar pivoting mechanism up at the top for the actuator body itself. I'll just show you quickly. Same pivoting action. We can back that off and hold it in position. I like to fold it up this way for storage. It's the most compact, so that when you put it down, it's sort of its shortest length. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We also have these feet on the bottom. These are some 3D printed parts with some grippy bits to hold them in place. And I like to put the end caps on the sides of all the extrusion faces for aesthetic and just to keep it from being too sharp when you're near it. So let's go ahead and get started.